Welcome to Benny Daily. It was a perfect sunny day. Benny was out for his favorite walk in the park, tail wagging, tongue out, loving every moment. But suddenly, the rain came pouring down, so Benny started walking, looking for a place to wait for the rain to stop. And there, under a bench, was Whisker, a tiny shivering cat, all alone. Benny says, "No worries, little buddy," curling his fluffy body around Whisker, keeping him warm and safe from the storm. Just then, a kind stranger with an umbrella was walking and spotted them. Gently, he wraps Whisker in a scarf and picks him up. The stranger begins to walk away with Whisker. While Benny watches them, Benny is so happy Whisker found a home.